Hi, you're welcome back to my channel. So I just want to share my experience with traveling, how I left Abuja and the things I packed. This might help one or two persons because when I was packing, I was actually looking for videos and things that would guide me when I was packing my things, because the airline I used was British Airways. I had no issues. It was swift, easy peasy. It was a straight flight because I don't have the energy of doing stopovers. So I just checked the prices and the difference wasn't much. Just booked British Airways. With the class of my tickets is economy, I'm entitled to 2 boxes, each weighing 23 kg, and also 2 hand luggage. So my people, that's how I was packing things because I have my box is big. I was putting things oh my god, I was putting things. I wasn't considering the weight, but I was considering the space. I was like, oh, I still have space, let me put more things, this, that. Oh god. At the time when I packed the box to the brim, I carried it up. I couldn't even lift my box. It was heavy. It was heavy. So I now started looking for weighing balance. Thankfully, my friend Chaza, she gave me weighing balance because she also she also traveled and used the same method to do her own weighing. It's good when you're packing, get a weighing balance. If you're entitled to, for example, 2 kg, make sure that wherever you are packing, don't exceed that 2 kg. Let it be within the 2 kg that you are given, because you're going to have issues when you get to the airport. Either you pay for extra luggage or you pay for extra weight, or you take out things and get to the house. So you have to really plan yourself, know the things that you're putting. So when I was weighing my stuff, I just used weighing balance. The funny thing is, I was given for 6 kg, that is 23 kg. When I was packing the one box, because me, I was after food stuff. Oh. You see, you can actually get things in the UK that things that are cheap. Okay, let me even start with the things that I packed. So, like this stuff I'm wearing, I got it from Nigeria, and most of it. When I open my box, I'll show you the things I packed in the bag. But I didn't carry much clothes. All the clothes I used in the office, all those office wears, I dropped them. Father, I had a wardrobe full of clothes, shoe rack full of shoe. I didn't take them because I don't want them to occupy space for where I'll pack my food stuff. So I had like 3 boxes. One as a hand luggage. I had a school bag, this school bag here, and then the big boxes. One is for food stuff, and then one is for my clothes. The clothes I just packed are my inners, jean trousers. I had to like get about 7 or 8 jean trousers, and then tops like this for winter because this is a cold period. I had to get those things at least to cover myself for the meantime before I start working or before I start spending money, because after paying this school fees, it got the rosy. Everybody, Sapa is real. So you have to use your brain. And then buying African food is actually cheap to get some other foods here, but getting African food is quite pricey. So you have to plan yourself. But I'm going to show you the things that I packed for African food. I don't want to carry too much things. I just had to check what are those things that I feel I may not afford at the moment. So I just brought them. I know the list is inexhaustible, but I just have to get a few things. And for shoe, in fact, when it has to do with shoe, it's hard for me to see my size, and sometimes I wear 45, 46, or sometimes 43, 44. Sharp between 43 to 46. So whatever I'm getting, it has to be in between, and it has to size. Sometimes you see 46 and then it doesn't size. So I had difficulty finding my size because walkabout, na leg they use waka here. Leg it is. You can use leg and walk a distance of 30 minutes, and because the weather is cold, you won't really feel it. So you need a shoe that is very comfy. You don't need to be stressing yourself with shoe that is pinning your toes. When I got here, I think I came here with just a pair of canvas because these other ones I had, they were all pinning me. And then I got this one £9 from Primark. It's cheap. I don't know if it's going to last, but whatever. I just need to. I don't have money now, so I need to make do with what I have. I had to get this. So it's for you to know that you can actually get things that are cheap. The box still had space, but it was already weighing 23 kg. So I just added 1 or 2 clothes, and it was over by 2 kg or 3 kg there about. I just closed the bag like that. Then I went to my food stop. It was also over 3 kg or 4 kg. I knew. I actually weighed it. The weight also helped me to remove things that are not so important. I had to also remove my natural hair product. Yeah, you know how I love my hair and how I like taking care of my hair, but I had to remove those things. But I feel those things that I'm getting, I can also get them in the UK. And being that I made a hair like this, at least it will last me for weeks before I start thinking of how to care for my hair. I shall have to improvise. I have shea butter, just shea butter and black castor oil that I was able to bring. But these other shampoo, leave-in conditioner, all those things that I know that I can easily get from the mall here, I didn't bother myself getting them. So you can also consider that. Get the important things. You don't need to really pack. Check how many kg that you're entitled to. When I got to the airport, it was easy peasy. I passed the NDLEA. Just check my bag, check me in, and the next was British Airways guys. They just check the bags, size your bag. If it's the bags are for hand luggage, you have somewhere that you place it to make sure that it's going to fit in when you get into the airplane. So I got to that stage where they checked and it was over 6 kg. I was advised to either I pay, and I asked them, please, how much do I need to pay for this 6 kg? And the lady politely told me, you have to pay $105. I was like, Ogini, it's not $105. $105 maka 6 kg. Nagini neme. God. So what I did was I just took my box back. But I was just thinking 6 kg is not much. I can actually do away with some of the things. What I did first is to remove the laptop in my backpack so that I can transfer some things from my box to my bag. I don't want anything that will compress the laptop. So I just removed the laptop first, because laptops also have their own weight. I removed the laptop and transferred some clothes from the box to the school bag. And then again, I brought out 3 sweaters, like thick clothes, all these sweatshirts. I brought them out, wore them inside each other, like 3. I was already carrying sweater to the airport because I was thinking maybe when I land in London, the weather is going to be cold, so I needed to protect myself, and I was wearing the heavy clothes. I specifically brought out a jean that is heavy and wore it on my body so that it doesn't get to weigh too much in my bag. So I had to tie the 3 sweaters on my waist. I tied the 3 sweaters on my waist, and then the one I was carrying on my hand, I had my laptop. In fact, it was like this. I was carrying it. This is my diaries because I use them in jotting things. You know, we've been having lectures online, so I've been using this for my study. I can't leave them. I just took them and plus my laptop. I was carrying my book like this because these ones are heavy. This alone can give me like 2 or 3 kg. So I was carrying it like this, and those sweatshirts can also weigh a bunch. That's how I tied everything and then reduced my load. That was my savior that day. I went to reweigh it and I saw 22.9, and then I saw 23.2 or thereabout. You know, if you just point difference, it won't really count. So that's what I did. And after I transferred some things to my hand luggage became puffed up. And I went back. They said, no, your hand luggage is too puffed up. Go and check it back. So I had to remove things again from there. Almost, apart from this moment, I had no other issues. So that's just what I did. I did not take anything back. I had to give my sister back the handbag I was carrying. Because I was told if I have my small box, if I have this, I can't carry handbag again because I'm entitled to only 2 hand luggage. So my dear people, I said, okay, no wala. I removed the things in my handbag. I carried my small box and the school bag, shikina, and I was good to go. I was checked in. I passed, is it custom? Yeah, you will be asked to declare. I had nothing. I got there. I don't have up to 10,000 forex, whatever. So I just moved. British Airways, you have the option of checking in prior to the day. That's 24 hours to the day. So I already filled my passenger locator form, checked in. There is other app they sent to me. Is it Verifly or something like that? where you have to just check in, you choose your seat. So I already did all those things. So checking in wasn't hard. The only things that gave me a tough time was trying to sort out my excess weight. So this is a big box, and this is just what I had in. I just had my towel. So just these things are they are weighty enough. So all these things here, like everything here, I had like 2 bed sheets because my white and milk white bed sheets, I couldn't let them go. I left other bed sheets, but I had to take these bed sheets because I don't want to come and start being stranded with the bed sheets and all. I just love these bed sheets because sleeping is so cool. So I had to take them along, and then I brought my 2 towels. So this alone, the thing don't already occupy with a big space. Then over here are the sweatshirts that I packed. It goes down all the way down, and over here is jean trousers, because basically that's just the thing I'll be wearing here now. Jean trousers and sweatshirts, that's it. I just have to bring my hair. Bring your wig along, making hair here so that I can save money. These are just the essentials for me. Each person have what their essential is, but for me, I feel these are the essentials for me. That's my beddings, sweatshirts, jean, then wig. And these ones are, I think, just few shirts. And over here is just inners. It didn't really take much, just the inners. And okay, the cocoa. This is food stuff. I'm coming so that I'll show you the things I packed inside the food stuff. My mother said, "Kai, they're priceless." So she had to pack all these things for me. You might decide to get a Ziploc bag, or you can get a transparent bag. All these things weren't even really necessary, but why it's good for you to put it in a transparent bag is so that you can be able to identify them. I had some dried vegetables so that I will know which is which. In case if they say open your bag and then I open, they begin to ask what's this, it will be easier for me to identify them. So I just had granules, salt. This is dried ugu leaf. This is uziza leaf. I love vegetables, and as an Igbo girl, oha leaf, ofede, you have to cook onubu soup and oha soup. So this is it. I have my leaf. All these ones are leaf. They don't have much weight. Otazi. So I packed a lot of. Then this is onubu. I dried them. Although I heard you can bring wet one, but I don't know. Gradually, you begin to learn things that you can bring and things you cannot bring. What's this one again? Okay, this is scent leaf. I also dried scent leaf. You see, all these things are very expensive in the African shop, so you may want to just bring few if you love all these native ingredients. These ones are just native ingredients as well. I also brought bitter cola. What's this? This is pepper. This is dry pepper. So you see, that's why I put these masking tapes to be able to identify all these things. This is pepper. And crayfish. My mom really went to market for me. This is dried fish. You see, you have to pack enough that you will use. All these things are very pricey here. This is stocked fish. I had to bring enough, the one that will last me till I start making small money to buy all these things. I can't afford to be buying so many things. For my Igbo people, this is ogiri, aromatic seasoning. All these things smells. Smell of this thing is not here. I had to bottle it. Inside here is ogiri and ogiribo. For people that know what I'm saying, there's ogiri and ogiribo. I bottled it, and I'm even regretting why I did not bring enough. In fact, I had both iru inside here, but that iru the thing was smelling so badly that I had to remove it. But if I had remembered that I would bottle everything, I would have put them in the bottle, and the smell doesn't even smell. Like, you can't even perceive anything. I can't perceive anything. So I just put them in the bottle and put it in a Ziploc bag. Shikina. What's this one? Okay, this is ede. That is cocoyam flour. I'll upload a video on how I did this. This is for soup thickening. When you're preparing onubu soup or oha soup, this is the thing you use in preparing it, because you may not really get that ede that you begin to pound. So I brought this. I made this by myself. What's this? This is dry water leaf, and this is dry obono, and these are spices. It's not as if there are no spices here. There is no here. All these spices are here in the African market. When I was packing things, I still have all these things left. Not like I went to the market and started buying. No, I had this one left, so I just, you know, packed everything. I just put them inside the Ziploc bag and brought it along with me. This is shea butter, natural hair gang, because this is so strong. Wow, I've actually got this like 5,500. It's so big. This is shea butter. It's big. Oh, so this one will last me for a long time. I heard it's expensive here. All those shea butter, coconut oil, and the rest. I couldn't bring coconut oil. I usually do my coconut oil by myself, but I had little time to even do much. So I just brought only shea butter. And this is egusi. Then this is ukwa. You know, breadfruits. My mom had to dry all these things for me. Hi, mothers, so priceless. Oh. Okay, so that is it for my packing and the things that I packed. That I had the basic things I need for food stuff and have my clothing. And I tell you, since I came, apart from this shoe that I got, and then some other cookies and the rest things that I got, I will tell you that the things that I got are so basic. Like, they are the things that I need. I need them. Sweatshirts, I don't bother myself about buying sweatshirts because one I got is more than enough for me for now. Because you know, when you come, you might not really settle in, getting a job, the school, the studies, everything. So just get those basic things and you are good to go. Thank you for watching this video. I know I've just been talking. Don't mind me. All this video I'm doing is like a coping mechanism for me at the moment because I'm struggling with so many things. The accommodation, the weather. Anyway, the weather has been lovely, but the accommodation is stressing me. I need to feel at home. I'm just hanging around, so I need to feel at home. So all these videos that I'm making, giving you guys updates, is also helping me to cope with whatever that is happening. But so this is just what I packed and nothing happened. I had no liquid because they will ask you, do you have liquid in your bag? I don't know how other people do it, but nah, I didn't carry any oil or any liquid. So that is it. So take care. Bye.